Welcome to another video from Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan. Today we have a scent from Abdul Samad Al Qurashi. I normally don't like Abdul Samad Al Qurashi nowadays because they have added a lot of synthetics to their others and mixes. The oil I am going to review today is Fragrant Oud Oil. This one. Fragrant Oud Oil from Abdul Samad Al Qurashi. So this is going to be the pouch you are going to get from Abdul Samad Al Qurashi. So let me share with you the pouch and the bottle. So let's try to see if I can balance them both together. So this is the pouch, nice pouch, and this is the bottle. Okay, so this is called Fragrant Aoud Oil, and I think it is from UAE or Saudi Arabia, I think. Okay, so top of the bat, it says fragrant oil, but from my perspective, the first thing I smell is vetiver. So in our words, we call it khas. This is the vetiver. This is very prominent over here. I think they have mixed a little bit, maybe 4 or 5 drops of oud oil into 5 or 6 mLs of this vetiver. So if you look at the consistency or the color, you can see it has greenish. Let me see if it can focus on it. So I'm going to show you the color. So the color is actually it is not focusing. I'm not sure what is the problem. Let's see if it can focus over here. Okay, so this is better. So it has green color, so it shows that if you have a vetiver or a khas oil mixed in an attar, it is going to be mostly green. So let's open it and try to see. Okay, so let's try to apply this one a little bit. Consistency is very thick. I'm sensing some synthetic musk also mixed into this one. Yeah, I think there is maybe some sandal or maybe some, definitely Hindi oud is somewhere in there. And I think maybe they try to tone down the Hindi oud oil with a lot of khas. This is a good mixture, but this is not for me. I would I don't like most of the khas oils or this vetiver. Vetiver is one of my least favorite, you can say, note. Yeah, I think it smells good. It is a very balanced mixture, and very less synthetic has been used. I think I would say that this is a good oil, fragrant oud oil from Abdul Samad Al Qurashi. But if you are an oud lover and you want to start with oud oils, I think this is the starter ones. Don't try to buy more than 3 ml. 3 ml is more than enough. I think this is 6 ml bottle. So it has some Hindi oud oil mixed with the punch of Hindi oud oil is there, mixed with vetiver and maybe some sandal. Yes. So mostly I am picking Hindi oud oil, some effects of Hindi oud oil or the punch or the little bit of skankiness. Most people say the skankiness of Hindi oud oils, that is there, and they have mixed a lot of vetiver in it, so they made it fragrant oud oil. So this is my review about fragrant oud oil from Abdul Samad Al Qurashi. I also happen to have this one. This is another bottle from them. I think it is something sandal, I don't remember. but I don't remember where I ordered it, and I think I got it from eBay, or I'm not sure. But this is a really synthetic oil. It has a lot of kind of Kiora essence and sandal mixed together, so I really don't like this one. This one is good. This one is good. Better Fragrant Oud Oil from Abdul Samad Al Qurashi. So this is my review about Fragrant Oud Oil from Abdul Samad Al Qurashi. Now you can understand that fragrant means that it has a lot of vetiver in it. If you like or love vetiver, this is going to be a good attar for you. So I will meet you in another video with another scent. So make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.